Hi, it's V. Let's vibe. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, we travel around Jamaica and I show you how beautiful Jamaica is. So if you're new here, this one won't be a lot of traveling because this is a follow-up. This is like part two to our health, hair and beauty expo that we went. So Casey was adamant that she had to take me out on a date and she took me to this expo, which I enjoyed. So now I'm going to take the time to unbox or unbag some of the things that we got from the expo so you can see it and get an idea that look, you can come out of the house sometime too. If that is something that you're interested in seeing, stay tuned and let's unbox. Alright folks, so after a long day of activities, we finally make it home at night, as you can see from the light, but Casey insists, so we have to do an unboxing, which is more like unbagging, but just showing you some of the goodies that we got today. So we're starting with this one. This is the African Pride bag, and Casey won this in spin the wheel. So you'll see it in the video itself, but you want it in the spin the wheel. Let me show you what I won first. So I did a spin the wheel, got an extra spin, and then we win a cup. So that is that. But Casey won it's like a goodie bag. So it's a bag with every little thing in there from African Pride. So we're starting with the first thing, and this is the pre-shampoo. So it's like detangle and condition. So you know when you go wash your hair and all of that, you take out braid and thing. And if you know anything about African Pride, I'm not gonna smell all of them, but smell them already and them smell good. Trust me, like African Pride stuff always have a smell to them, which is good. She also got, so let me see what this now, Max Stay Hold Gel. I don't know if you can see it with the lighting and stuff, but all of this from a spin the wheel. It have black castor oil and jojoba oil. So for all the natural girlies, as you call it like me. No, I'm not live. And this one is the braid lock and twist gel. It says extra hold and it has black castor. It's called Black Castor Miracle. And as me tell you already, African Pride and them thing. Yeah, them take pride in them smells. What else is in this goodie bag? Oh, so we also stopped by Polished, a place called Polished. This is not African Pride. So we got two nail polish, and I think the colors are beautiful. Hello, you telling us a June of mine, so when you see me wear nail polish all of June, just know that yeah, it belongs to me. So yeah, so we got these two colors. This one is my color and this one is Casey's. So yeah, let me see what other kind of goodies we have, because Sister Casey just wanted the unboxing and of your excitement. This come give me another one. Alright, so the next one is Jamaica Mango and Lime, and I use this product for a while. So if you didn't know, now you know. I had locks. Yeah, for about 10 years out of my life I had locks. 5 years, cut it off, grow it out, then we do it again and stuff like that. So with this one, she bought 3 things, and then she got 4 sample with the bag and everything. So she bought, where you buy again? The island oil, moringa seed oil. Watch ya. This is mango and lime. She also got the quick and easy braid takedown. So like when you want to take out your braid and you know it's not up and all kind of something. I guess this one is the one for you. What is this now? Cactus leave-in moisturizer. Okay, let me smell this. Well, on the folks, let me smell. Smell good too. Smell relaxing. It's a relaxing scent there. So now, and then how much of them you buy? 3 or 4? 3. And then you get 3 samples. Oh, so you buy 3, you get 1 free, and then you get the sample stuff them in here. Okay, this is a no more itch grow spray. Okay, maximum relief. See the mango and lime stuff. As I say, I used to use them back in the day because I had locks and they were my go-to for everything. Yes, it's a record, miss. Yeah, look. dry wash. So these are the samples. So this is the dry wash. It says foam and refresh, you know, like a dry shampoo kind of thing. If you are, you know, you're having braids, and when I used to have locks, I would do it from time to time, especially when I do the curly style and can't take down the curls no more. It's the same spray, but it's a smaller one. And this is the braid and setting mousse. So we know some mousse good for all kind of something, for braid as well as for your hair itself. Because even in my natural hair, sometimes I use the mousse. This is called Exquisite Designer Body Oils for women. And Sister Casey gets body oil. She got body oil. Smells good, but me can't really manage the strong business. I don't know me and the migraines, but smell really good. I mean, I tried one and then I quickly had to remove it because me feel something that come on. But yeah, so this is the goodie bag from Mango and Lime. I'm hurry up because I go online. I have enough for the whole time. It's my first unboxing. I probably do this by itself. You know what I mean? So at least me not feel Oriana. Yeah, that's what I'll probably do. So if you see this, you see this afterwards. Alright, so just because we were at the event, we also got these. So we got giveaway, like it's, and it says, it's African Pride again, give your coils what they crave. So the bag had, so I got one, Casey got one. We got this from Polished, of course. See it here? And you'll see in the video. If you didn't see the video, you check it out. When they subscribed and we did the whole social media thing one time. So yes, so we got these samples. So it's the wash day kind of kit. So you have the wash day delight, the same detangle stuff. Then you have the cleanser, which should be the shampoo, and then you have the conditioner. So we got those in the bag, and then there's one more thing that came in the bag. What is it again? It's like there was another thing, like a leave-in conditioner or something. Or a different bag. Oh yeah, so this one had these in there. So one for me, one for Casey, and then so there's another place called Hawaiian Silky. I don't know if it's the here or what. A fam embrace the beauty, and we also got samples from there as well. This one is their moisture lotion, so like a leave-in conditioner. And these two are like shampoo again, and you know, you will have conditioner and stuff. So that's basically what came in this one. So all of these we got from the event. And for me, so I bought, outside of the nail polish that we got, and what Casey bought, I bought stuff from Essential Beauty Pro. Yeah, so I bought some of their hair growth vitamins. So they said that it's supposed to strengthen your hair and the whole 9 yards. I mean, I'm looking forward to what it does. Let's see how it works, because I got it on a deal, I guess. How much I said this was for again? Let me say 4,000 today. It was like 4.5 or 4.7 regular. 4.7 on a regular day, but then when I bought two, I got them for 7.5. So plus them subscribe. Hey, Mr. Casey, they're on a mission with the other place. Everybody what we go to, which I appreciate, of course. So like when we go to the booth and the tables and thing, and we're shopping or we're doing whatever, Casey's like, would you like to subscribe to our YouTube channel? And then the people will say, oh sure, and they went ahead and subscribed. So this one is the hair growth vitamin, which I look forward to. I like my hair how it is, but because I had locks, I know one side of my hair, this side, a little bit thinner than this side. So I mean, it's not a big, but me know I wait until it reaches to a big thing. So that is that. That's a wrap up. I mean, I know we saw them doing braids on the spot. What else was them do? Makeup. But the time was too hard for all of that. You know, competition. There was this ponytail that I wanted to win, but you know, me and the dancing and all of them things now go work. So yeah. So I got if you saw the video, you would see that I got my blood pressure tested and my glucose level or the sugar level tested What else? Yeah, but it was a nice little outing. We got there very early, so initially it seemed like nothing was happening, but then once we go out and come back in terms of the, we go eat and come back, things got pretty lively. So again, thank you for checking out our unboxing of the items that we got from the Hair, Health and Beauty Expo that Casey was adamant that we needed to go. So it was a good day out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next parish.